Thank you. A very good afternoon to you. It's pretty cold out there today, despite the brightness. And as we get through to this evening, cloud will be building from the southwest ahead of a rain band that, as it moves in and meets very cold air, could fall as freezing rain with some sleet and snow on higher ground in the Pennines as it begins to push through into the early hours of tomorrow morning. A pretty nasty start to Saturday, I'm afraid. Wet and in places wintry, particularly up in the hills. Through the afternoon, perhaps a little drier, but it's miserly and there's a very cold feel to the day tomorrow. 4 or 5 Celsius at best, becoming a little drier into Sunday, but still cloudy and still cold. Bye-bye. And the cold theme continues into the weekend with something wintry in 1 or 2 spots before dawn. The details are coming up later on in the programme. Hello again, very good evening to you. The weekend is here, the cold theme continues, and we have a spell of rain moving in through tomorrow morning, which could turn wintry up on higher ground to start proceedings through Saturday. Wintry conditions, particularly up on higher ground, and into next week, potentially slightly milder weather ahead, but more unsettled. High pressure just relinquishing control through tonight and tomorrow, allowing a front to sneak up from the southwest, bringing some heavy rainfall to the northwest of England and the Isle of Man, and perhaps a little bit of snow on the tops of the Pennines as it begins to move through. High pressure regains control though for Sunday, so it should be a dry end to the week. Back to this evening's details. Bits and pieces of showery rain moving in before midnight ahead of that rain band, and it could be falling as freezing rain, perhaps a little bit of sleet mixed in. The air is cold enough over the next few hours, and certainly into the early hours of tomorrow morning, that rain beginning to make itself felt across our part of the world. 1 or 2 icy stretches perhaps in places, a few freezing fog patches in the Pennines and the Lakeland Fells before tomorrow morning. Those are tomorrow's sun times. It's up at 7:31 and sets at 5:20 tomorrow evening. Saturday not looking particularly brilliant, it has to be said. We've got some heavy rain moving in, so lots of water on the roads, and it has a wintry element to it. Freezing rain, a bit of sleet up on higher ground as it pushes through. During tomorrow afternoon, remaining damp, drizzly and feeling bitterly cold. 2 or 3 Celsius for many places, perhaps lifting to 5 by the end of the afternoon. Looking ahead to Sunday, dry, cold, cloudy again, and similar on Monday. Gradually through next week, temperatures pick up, but it looks more unsettled from Wednesday. Bye-bye.